court, Your Worship.
Mrs. de Klerk, thank you.
Thank you, Your Worship. That concerns possible bail application in this matter. It is currently my instructions that we are abandoning bail.
Okay.
Should that change in future, I will inform the court.
The accused confirms he's currently abandoning his application. Thank you. Mr. Daniso, then from the state side.
Thank you, Your Worship. In that case, then, this matter will still remain in this court, Your Worship, as there are some investigations pending. Any Thursday. Just checking with my colleague as well. The next available date, Your Worship, for further investigations. Just for record purpose, Your Worship, there is a couple of them, amongst others, expert evidence,
Yes.
forensic that is pending, and other witness statements, Your Worship. As the court would see that it's a couple of charges that are put
Yes.
against the accused, where there is still detailed information that is needed. And Your Worship would go then with regards to investigations and give it at least a long shot until 5, if my colleague would confirm such, 5 March. Also to engage the Director of Public Prosecution in this instance.
Thank you, Mr. Ludla. Your matter is then postponed 5 March 2026. 5 March 2026, that would be then for further investigations. You are in custody. Okay. Thank you. Mr. Daniso, just wait one moment. For now, the court is going to adjourn. I will allow the media an opportunity to take pictures of the accused. As he's brought up as well, you may arrange with the court orderlies. Please be respectful, give each other an opportunity. I would say form a queue. That way it would be most respectful to everyone.